Frisk. To search someone's body for weapons or illegal items. Example: the officer frisked the man before putting him in the car. Apprehend. To catch or arrest someone. Example: the police apprehended the suspect after a short chase. Swindle. To cheat someone out of money or property. Example: he swindled people by pretending to be a charity worker. Fugitive. A person who is running away to avoid arrest. Example: the fugitive escaped from prison last night. Pilfer. To steal small things, usually repeatedly. Example: someone has been pilfering stationery from the office. Acquit. To declare someone not guilty in court. Example: the jury acquitted her due to lack of evidence. Culprit. The person who did something wrong or illegal. Example: the teacher found out who the culprit was. Abduct. To take someone away by force or trickery. Example: the child was abducted from the park. Suppress. To stop something from happening or being known. Example: the government tried to suppress the protest.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.